Alright guys, so welcome back here. It's NH House here, and today's video we are going to be looking at how you generate quality leads. Okay, so if you're into a business, maybe a small business, B2B and all of that, you should know that lead generation is something you don't want to joke with, right? Lead generation is not it's something you don't want to joke with. And I remembered in my previous video I talked about how you send bulk emails to you know to large numbers of emails and all of that. So I've been getting this those questions coming up and all of that, like how do you generate leads for your business, how do you generate leads for your client, and that is what we are going to be dealing with in today's video. I'm going to be showing you a precise and a detailed method in which you yourself you can use in generating leads for your business. Maybe you want to use it for email marketing or you want to use it for something else, but the main thing here is that you're going to be learning how to generate leads for your business. So with that all said, I'm just going to go right straight and show you guys how easy it is to start generating quality leads, right? So if you're new on the channel, please make sure you subscribe if you want to see much more informative videos like this. Remember, I told you here on this channel we deal more with lead generation and marketing. So if you would like to learn more about lead generation, marketing and all of that, you want to subscribe, okay, and become a member of the family. This is where we're going to be teaching you everything you need to know about lead generation for your business and also how to market your business. So if you've subscribed, I really appreciate you for doing that. And to my existing subscribers, you guys are amazing, you guys are super. So here is me here showing you how you generate leads with another method, okay, something much more basic, something much more helpful, something much more educative. So if you're really happy with this, please make sure you don't leave this place without smashing the like button in appreciation. Okay, so give me that thumbs up, and if you've got any question, maybe some how in the video, maybe some part in the video is not clear and you'd like to ask questions, you can let me know in the comment section below, and as soon as I see it, I'll be so much happy to respond to your questions. Okay, so with that all said, guys, now let's jump into it. So now if we are going to be dealing with lead generation, you can see on my screen there is basically 1451 new leads generated over the past few days now. And with this method I'm using, that's what I'm going to show you, right? With this method you can all do this for free, absolutely for free, that you don't have to pay any money. Remember, I told you that this channel is dedicated to actually go about experimenting, trying out things that are working out fine, and immediately I find things working out perfectly good, I come here on this channel and I share it. Okay, so I actually tried out this method and it is super working, and that is why I have the boldness to come and share it with you guys. So now if you're talking about lead generation, the first thing you want to put into consideration is something I call the lead magnet. Okay, I call it the lead magnet. If you are looking to start generating leads for your business, you need something known as the lead magnet. So your lead magnet basically is something that would help you captivate your leads. Okay, it is called the lead magnet. Why? Because we use it in attracting leads, right? We use it in attracting leads. So your lead magnet can be anything from simple ebooks to maybe videos to maybe courses to maybe webinars and all of that. But the super thing here is that you need to note that you need a lead magnet. So that is the first thing we're going to be dealing with right here in this video, because we need a lead magnet to be able to get leads for our business. So I'm just going to write this quickly down so that we don't forget and would use this for other classes. So the first thing that we need here is our lead magnet, and I'm going to show you how you get lead magnets for your business to attract leads. There are so many ways you can actually get a lead magnet for your business, but the first method that I myself use is that I create lead magnet myself. I make use of sites like Canva. Okay, many of you can be so familiar with Canva. I come over to Canva and I create a free book, a free guide teaching a particular thing or informing my audience about a particular thing. Okay, that would be my lead magnet. That would be what I will use in enticing them. So you can come up to Canva and you can create a lead magnet for yourself. So maybe you want to learn more about lead magnet creation, you can still let me know in the comment section below so that I get to see, okay, this is something my subscribers want, and I'm going to make sure I pull out a video showing you how to create a lead magnet for yourself. So if you want the idea about creating a lead magnet, you can use Canva. You can create free guides, free ebooks, free video courses here using the Canva application or the Canva site, and you'll be able to have a lead magnet for your business. So Canva is one of the fastest and easiest way for you to be able to create a lead magnet for yourself. Another method you can use in generating lead magnet is you can come over to PLR site. For instance, we have free PLR site known as IdplR. Okay, so IdplR is basically a free PLR site where you can have access to thousands of free guides, thousands of free ebooks, softwares, and all of that that you can use as your lead magnet. So a lead magnet is basically a free content that you are giving out in order to generate the contact information of your lead. Okay, the contact information of your lead. So this is something you give in exchange for the contact information of your audiences. So let's say I have a YouTube channel just like the way I have, and maybe I want to generate leads, maybe I want to reach out to people, I want to sell something to them, I want to maybe use them for something else. What I would do is that I would get a lead magnet. So for everybody who wants to get that lead magnet of mine, maybe a free book, maybe a free class, maybe a free software and all of that, they would first of all provide me with their contact information. And once they do that, I already have their contact information and they already have the lead magnet that I have for them. So you can see IdplR is also another free site that you can create. You can create a free account, and you can see that you can have access to over 6,000 ebooks, 1,707 videos, and also we have graphics, we have template, and we also have softwares, we have audios, webinars, so many of them. Okay, you can use IdplR, and please make sure you take note of this. Make sure that every lead magnet that you are making use of, it is related to your business and it is related to the kind of persons you want to attract. And now what do I mean? Maybe I want to attract people who are into music. Okay, people who deal more with music, maybe music producers. So I'm not going to be sharing with them a lead magnet on how to lose weight. Basically that is off it, because these guys are not interested in that thing particularly. They want more of music, they want to know maybe the music trends, they want to know how to get better in music, they want to know how to produce music better. Okay, so you need to make sure that the lead magnet that you are creating is relevant to the audience that you are targeting and also to your business. You don't want to go outside of this. You don't want to focus on something that is outside your business, because if you do that, you basically be generating the wrong leads for your business. And so many people don't know this. We generate wrong leads and we feel that people are not buying, people are not turning up. Many of the issue is that the leads that we are generating, they are basically not our leads. Okay, so you want to make sure that you have a lead magnet that is related to the audiences that you want to attract and also to your business. So these are the two ways that can be used, okay, that you can use in generating a lead magnet for yourself. You can basically create it yourself here using the Canva site or the application. Like I told you earlier, if you want me to teach you how to create a lead magnet, you can let me know in the comment section below, and I'll take my time to pull out a detailed tutorial on how to go about creating a lead magnet here on Canva. And let's just say you want to beat the time, maybe you don't have time to sit down thinking, creativity, and all of that. You can also make use of IdplR. These are free PLR site that would offer you so many contents that you can trade, okay, that you can use for lead magnet. You can use them to attract new guys. You can also sell them. You have the free right to do it, right? So IdplR is another site that you can use in generating a lead magnet. So we've been able to cover the part of a lead magnet, which I told you it is something that you want to give your time to. Getting a lead magnet is something you don't want to miss out to if you want to generate quality leads for your business. So after you've been able to come across or solving the lead magnet issue, the next thing you want to do is you're going to be making use of something we call the opt-in page. Okay, so I'm just going to write this down here, the opt-in page. So what is an opt-in page? Basically, an opt-in page is a simple page where your audiences or your leads get to fill in their information for them to be able to access your lead magnet. So this is what an opt-in page is. An opt-in page is a simple page where everybody you send to this place would definitely give you their contact information for them to be able to access your lead magnet. So if you've been able to get your lead magnet, the next thing you want to focus on is an opt-in page. So an opt-in page is where your users, your audiences will fill in their information, something like email address, contact information, and all of that. Once they do that, okay, they'll be able to get access to the lead magnet. And for you to be able to create an opt-in page, I make use of a free site known as systeme.io. Okay, systeme.io is where I use in creating my opt-in page. You can create a free account. I'm going to be leaving the link down in the description box below, so that for easy access for many of you who would like to use systeme.io to create an opt-in page. So if I click on here, you know, the systeme.io account, this is my dashboard here. What I'm going to click on is I'm going to click on funnels. I want to teach you how you build an opt-in page. So I click on funnels, I'll be redirected to this page. So what I have to do right now is I want to create a free opt-in page for getting the leads, getting my leads, getting their informations, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to be clicking on the create button. For you, it's going to be a blank. You're not going to be seeing anything here. So you're going to click on the create button, and what you want to do is you want to name the funnel that you are building. Okay, it's simple. We are creating an opt-in page, so I'm just going to name it as an opt-in page, right? I'm just going to give it the name an opt-in page, maybe YouTube, so I can be able to differentiate properly. And now the next thing you want to do is you want to choose your category, or should we call it the goal. What is the reason why you're creating an opt-in page? Do you want to build an audience? Do you want to sell something? Do you want to build a custom page, or you want to run an evergreen webinar? For us, remember, we want to generate leads, so we are going to be going with build an audience. So click on build an audience and click on save. So automatically you'll be able to create a free opt-in page. So you can see that it has been created. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open it, and I'm going to click on it here, and it's going to open up. And from here, this is where I'm going to be doing all the magic. This is where I'm going to be choosing my template of the kind of opt-in page that I want to build. So you can just play around and find an opt-in page that you like. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to find something that I like. So I'm just going to look for it and show you guys how it looks like, right? So systeme.io is going to be helping us to create a free opt-in page, and I tell you, this is what I use, and that is why I have the boldness to share with everybody here on my channel. So you want to make sure you find the perfect templates for yourself, right? So I'm just going to go through and find something that I myself I like. Okay, so I'm just going to go with this one that has a book in it. Maybe I want to use a book as my lead magnet, and I want to offer it to people who are interested. So I'm going to click on preview template just to show you guys what the template is all about. So you can see that this is basically what an opt-in page is. We have a book displaying here. We also have some detailed information about the book. Okay, and this is where I'm going to. If you go down a little bit, okay, you're going to be seeing something that has your users or your audience is putting in their email address for them to be able to get the ebook. So this is just a simple and the easiest method of you having an opt-in page, or the simplest template that you can use in having what an opt-in page. So systeme.io would provide you with every detail, everything you need in creating the perfect opt-in page for your business. So here is after they've been able to go through the lead magnet, they see everything it has and all of that. There's also a video here, maybe you talking about the lead magnet and all of that. Then they will need to fill in their email address. Once they fill in their email address, they click on send me the ebook. Immediately you get their contact information, and they get the lead magnet that you have for them. So this is also going to be another tutorial itself. So if you want to learn how to build an opt-in page as well, you can also let me know in the comment section below, and I'm going to show you detailedly on how you go about building the perfect opt-in page for generating leads or for collecting leads information. Either way is right. So that is the second thing you want to put into consideration. The first is the lead magnet, the second is the opt-in page, and lastly, many people do this wrongly, and I don't want you to do it wrongly. I don't want you to miss this. It is very, very informative. It is very, very vital that you adhere to what I'm about to say. The last method is that you yourself, you basically advertise. Okay, you advertise your opt-in page. Many people just have a good lead magnet, they also have their opt-in page ready, but they don't try to advertise it. They don't try to push it to many people. They don't try to make many people see what the offers or the landing page or the lead magnet or everything that they have for them. So you yourself, you want to make sure you advertise it. You want to also advertise your opt-in page, because that is where you are going to be collecting leads from. That is where you're going to be collecting the contact information of every of your leads. It is very, very easy and very, very simple to do. So for the advertisement, we have so many ways that you can use in advertising. For instance, you can use social medias. For instance, let's say you have a following on Facebook. Let's say you have a following on Facebook, maybe you have a following on Instagram. You can use all of the social network to advertise your opt-in page. Okay, once you start pushing out your opt-in page, you're telling people about your lead magnet, telling people about the things that they would get to have access to once they can give you their information. The more you do it, guys, the more leads you'll be able to generate. So you want to make sure you give your time to advertising. So go over to your Facebook profile, give a link there telling people about the lead magnet, telling them what you are offering them, and once they want to get access to what you're offering them, they would have to provide you with their contact information, and that is the help of an opt page. Okay, that is the help of an opt-in page, so that they don't just get the product and they go, but you also have their contact information as well. Another method you can use in advertising is you to make use of Google Ads. Many people do it. I use it a lot. Google Ads would also help me promote my lead magnet to so many persons, and immediately they show interest in getting it, they would have to give me their contact information, and once they do, then I provide them with the lead magnet. So Google Ads is another thing that you might also want to use in advertising. So here's my Facebook profile. I can just keep on sharing my links to people, family, friends, on groups, on my profile, on my page, sharing my lead magnet with people, and just to make sure that they get it, you would also have to give me their contact information, guys. So that is the simple three-way system that you can use generating quality leads for your business. Number one is you need a lead magnet. Number two is you need an opt-in page, and number three, you're going to think of how to advertise. Okay, advertise your lead magnet, how to push it out to more people, how to get people to see it, because it's not going to profit you if you have all those things in stock and you don't learn how to advertise, you don't give promotion out, you don't tend to share it with people on social followings, on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, Google Ads, and all of that. People would not see it, and people don't see your lead magnet. It means that nobody's coming to your opt-in page, nobody's going to give you their contact information. So here is the three simple formula that you can use in generating quality leads for your business. So if you actually find value in this video, please make sure you smash the like button, and if you've got questions as well, you can let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be so much happy to answer every of your questions. So in my next video, maybe I'm going to be talking about how to create a lead magnet, or maybe how to build a perfect opt-in page. So you don't want to miss videos like that. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.